What have we learned in this module? Well, I hope you've picked up that the Database Configuration Assistant is truly a Swiss Army knife utility. We can do so much. We can, of course, deploy a database, and that database can be of the non-container database or container database, pluggable database variety. But we also can use DBCA to create and manage templates and database creation scripts that can solve our problems if we are in, for instance, a multi-tenant environment and we have a standard database definition that we want to deploy numerous times. We have that ability. I hope you see a little bit that using the container database along with PDBs, pluggable databases, gives us a lot more flexibility than we have in a non-CDB environment. If you've ever migrated a traditional Oracle database to a new server, you know what I'm talking about. It's not a fun exercise. As a matter of fact, check the Pluralsight library because I'm building an entire course on Oracle Database 12c where we do data import and export, backup, recovery, the whole shebang. And by the way, in that course, I'm going to show you and actually walk through the full process of unplugging and replugging pluggable databases. Because you might have thought, Tim, why didn't you show us? Unfortunately, in this module, it's a time issue. But in the backup and recovery course that I'm doing for Pluralsight, we'll cover those bases at that point. Okay, so keep the faith. And I'm not even going to repeat this last point. I'll just silently select it because I've mentioned the importance of planning multiple times. With that, thank you very much for participating. I hope you enjoyed this module, and I will see you in the next one.